With the festive season just around the corner, the Omicron variant of COVID-19 has induced fresh curbs across the country. Aishwarya Paliwal gets your ground report from Delhi that brings you the mood from local restaurants and how owners of restaurants and eateries fear a return of bad business days.
New Year plans in tatters. Revelry shelved. Omicron playing party pooper. Amid creeping curbs, restaurants fear a complete washout and the return of bad business days. Many are already exercising caution and enforcing COVID norms for patrons. Leading hangout joints are limiting their New Year bookings now.
We are following all the precautions, so we are for the New Year we are also 50% capacity we are allowing. Reservation we are taking, but as per the capacity we are taking only.
Association can enforce only morally, but we cannot enforce lawfully because we don't have a power. If you tell somebody something, he feels offended to it. I request also, like my all office bearers or the shopkeepers, we do request people that if they are not wearing the mask, they must wear the mask and then come inside. But usually you don't find such thing happening in Khan Market. If we talk on general, then yes, people are very relaxed. They should all now again come back to the same what we were about 6 months back. It is your own health which is at stake. So you must take care of the same and try to ensure that you are wearing a mask. When you're going, you must sanitize your hand or you must wash your hands and keep a social distancing.
Once you walk into the restaurants, be ready for a temperature check, 50% seating capacity, scanner on your table for the menu, limited contact with waiters and single-use napkins and cutlery. Many who frequent some of Delhi's top restaurants understand the need for precautions to stay safe in Omicron times.
पिछले 2 साल से आप देख ही रहे हैं सिचुएशन क्या है, ठीक है। सभी लोग बहुत मतलब घर में बैठे बैठे ना बहुत बोर हो चुके हैं। बट हाँ, ये ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें ना हमारे लिए, हम लोगों को पता है कि सेकेंड वेव में क्या हुआ था, ठीक है, दिल्ली का हाल क्या हुआ था। तो हम लोगों को ये क्राउडेड प्लेस को थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करना चाहिए। बिल्कुल ऐसी जगहों पर थोड़ा जाने के लिए हमें सोचना चाहिए।
The next thing, which is an ingredient for this year's New Year party, is social distancing, which means that you will have to sit, if you're not coming together, you'll have to sit on separate tables, and the tables have been put in such a way that they're away from each other. Now the third ingredient is contactless menus. On almost all the restaurants across not just national capital in the country, what you see are these scanners. Once you scan these scanners from your phone, on your phone, then you'll get the menu, which means that the number of visits of the server to your table will be reduced drastically. The other thing which they have done is, see, what you see here is the Agla table, which basically means that this table, they will not allow people to be seated on the table, which is how they are maintaining the social distancing. One family can sit here, the other family can sit here. And on every table, one thing which you find are these sanitizers. This is now a must for your Christmas or New Year's party. Apart from this, the other thing which they are doing is making sure all the employees who work here have been vaccinated and are fully vaccinated.
So if you're planning to party, you can do it with caution. Don't let Omicron and carelessness play havoc with your health.
Now, the DDMA also says large gatherings are prohibited, religious gatherings are prohibited, just to make sure we don't see a third wave, and this upcoming festive season should not become a super spreader event. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Pradeep Gupta.
Anisha Mathur is now joining us for the very latest. Anisha, this festive season where the world thought they could finally celebrate after getting double vaccinated, there comes Omicron and all the plans have gone haywire. What is the ground situation looking like amidst the festivities at the moment?
Well, we're at the Nature Bazaar, the Daskar Bazaar at Mehrauli, and you can see around here there is constant announcements being made by the organizers of the market, by the market association, that people need to ensure that they keep their masks on. People are being offered a sanitizer spray and a temperature check at the entry to the market, but the mood here is still sort of cautiously optimistic that at least the market will not suffer because of this particular COVID numbers increasing. You can see here at the market, the stores are open, the people have started coming in, but there are announcements being made for people to ensure that they wear masks. Now, the issue here is going to be whether people follow these mask mandates or not, because even you can see even here, there are certain shoppers, some shopkeepers who may or may not be wearing their masks very properly. The organizers, the market association, as well as the shopkeepers are saying that they are asking people to ensure that they keep masks on, that they keep social distancing. We're also going to speak to some of the shoppers here, ma'am. You've come to the market. This is the festive season is coming up, New Year is coming up, but there is still one more threat of the COVID virus reappearing. How do you see this development? Is it going to affect your festive season?
I think this is a safe place.
Okay.
So that is why I came here. When I enter, I saw that they are doing so many things to care about the people. So I like it.
You like it. But do you think that people need to be a little more careful?
Yeah. That is the responsibility of the people to keep distance and take away the security purposes.
Okay. Are you seeing a lot of people following the mask mandates, or are you seeing that people are not following all the rules?
You mean inside the market or the outside?
Both.
No, I don't think that they don't care. A lot of people, they don't care about these things.
Okay.
Yes, they have to concern about themselves.
Okay. So, as you can see, even here in the market...
Thanks, Anisha, for that ground report right there. Anisha bringing us the latest as far as the situation with Omicron, that what it looks like as far as the markets here in the national capital are concerned. Across the board, there have been restrictions. There have been guidelines as well. We'll continue tracking these developments. India Today is bringing you ground reports from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore about the Omicron scare and the curbs that have been imposed by authorities ahead of the holidays. Let's now take a look.
Ahead of Christmas and New Year, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has further tightened its rules and regulations. Now, for any gathering, be it social, religious or political in nature, if it has more than 200 people, then a written permission from the Assistant Commissioner of the BMC of the respective ward will be needed. Not just that, the Assistant Commissioner will be sending supervisors to check whether the COVID appropriate behavior and other rules are being followed or not. If rules are not being followed and if it is discovered, then a fine of 50,000 could be imposed and the establishment could be asked to shut down for repeated offenders. Earlier, the BMC had said that for enclosed spaces, 50% of the capacity and 25% of the capacity for the open spaces would be allowed, provided the condition of maintaining social distancing of 6 by 6 feet is maintained. And now the BMC has further modified the order, saying if any organizer, owner comes forward and says that his enclosed space can accommodate more than 200 people, even after following the rule of 50% capacity for indoors and 25% for outdoors, then a written permission will be needed. This is happening right before Christmas and New Year. The COVID condition in Mumbai continues to remain grim. Yesterday itself, Mumbai recorded 490 new COVID cases. With camera person Vaibhav Kangutkar, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
The Karnataka government has heightened its vigil ahead of the New Year celebration in the state. Mass gatherings have been banned across the state, and in pubs and restaurants, only 50% of seating capacity has been allowed. With these new restrictions in place, Karnataka government hopes to restrict the number of cases and also ensure that COVID clusters does not form in this new year. With video journalist Madhu, this is Karthik for India Today.